apologies to the viewers out there that take the time to grace my channel with your reviews. Thank you for coming by and seeing what we do here. It's been a while since I posted, and I'm very sorry for that. Shout out to all of you who wait for my next videos eagerly. I've been chasing that darn woodpecker for weeks. Finally got a picture of him. I'm hoping he comes, but he, whichever one, I can't tell the difference in their genders distance, but I think it's a male. I got that one shot of him a minute ago. It's starting to rain a little bit now. So, as you can see, they plowed the field recently behind the house, so there won't be no deer for a little bit. Don't know what they're planting. It looks like they laid it out for corn, either that or soybeans. Anyhow, as you can see, I have been busy. Did a little bit of work recently, and it's starting to pay off. My prized tomato plants are surrounded by sunflowers there. They'll become a living steak for them. Plus, it'll be drawing in extra pollinators. On the back side of there, I have eggplants. They just started coming up, so this thing will be full in about 4 weeks. I'm blessed. It don't look like the woodpecker's coming back, friends. At least not while I'm standing here. So, without any further ado, this is Harvey, signing off. Thanks for the views.